So now I'm finished up with this little project. This was a fun little small project that I've been thinking about. I've got the black pots up here. We need to repaint our outside furniture, so I'm probably going to do it in a dark gray. But I just started thinking, you know, when I drive by here, this is the front patio, and the white was really cute and everything. I always loved, the white rockers. But I really think that this, I went out, I stood from the street, it really pops from the street against the light of the house. So I think this turned out really cute. This was a project we've been kind of working on all weekend and just kind of finished up today. The girls and I helped me, and we kind of finished this up. So it was kind of it would have been a really long video and stuff. So I just kind of thought, well, I'll break it up and give you two different little bits of ideas of what to do, just to kind of spruce up your front patio. So the rug I had, the chairs were white, and what I did is just painted them a matte black, and I sealed them. They weren't sealed before. And then I just put back our cute little, I already had these pillows, so the black and white check and the green with the, the foliage and everything. This I keep just because this little planter was flowers that were in my dad's ICU, well, it wasn't really ICU, but in his room when he was passing, and so the little bird feeder, and so I keep that out here. It just kind of reminds me of him and thinking of him when I'm sitting out here. But I just added a little throw here. It's getting quite warm here in Arizona, so I really don't think I need the throw, but I think it just really added a little pop of some dimension to our, this is kind of, well, this is the front patio, but this is the walkway up to the front door. So I just wanted to share this little idea with you, and maybe you get a little bit of motivation or inspiration to do something similar. I'm loving the contrast against the light of the house, and just incorporating the green, the foliage. This is the kumquat tree. So I think it turned out pretty cute. I hope you guys have a great day, had a great weekend, or have a great week. I think you're going to be seeing this on Wednesday. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic week, and just getting yourself motivated. Don't forget to go over and check out my website and my blog. We'll have it linked in the description below. There is a free printable right now that I'm getting a lot of comments and feedback that people are loving it. I know it's really helpful for me, and it's working good for me, but I'm liking that I'm getting some comments that it's helping you in your day. So please go over there. It's a free printable. You just sign up, and you will get an email, a welcome email, and you will have your free printable. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.